Next topic, live search. Okay, in live search, the items which are not located by the index search. In previous, we are using the index search like textbook. Okay, index search such as text hidden in unlocated space. Unallocated space can be located. It can search for alphanumeric and hexadecimal values on the evidence drive. It can search for alphanumeric and hexadecimal values on the evidence drive. It can also search for it can also search for scientific items like credit card numbers. Okay, we are using the live search. Live search means the items, okay, evidence crime evidence items we are searching by using indexed, like in index search such as text is hidden in unallocated space. Unallocated space in search for alphanumeric and hexadecimal values on the evidence drive. It can also search for specific items like credit card numbers, US phone numbers, United States phone numbers, and social security numbers. Okay, data hiding. Data hiding means hiding the data, means hiding the file information, data evidence information. This can be done by manipulating or changing the file. Okay, in data hiding, manipulating and changing the file information such as changing file extensions, hiding partitions, hiding file attributes, setting password protection, or using encryption. Using encryption. Okay, next, computer forensics. Network forensics. Okay, network forensics is the process of discovering the attacks on the network by gathering and examining the raw data present on the network. Due to increase due to increase in network attacks, there is a high demand. There is a high demand of proficient technicians in this field. Okay, network forensics. Okay, forensics means discovering and gathering the raw data present on the network. Raw data present on the network. Next, signography means hidden writing. The messages which are hidden using these data hiding techniques are identified only by the confidential recipient. Okay, there are many data collections are there. We are gathering the information to protect that copy, to protect particular copy and file. We have to protect and also copyrighted material, designed to protect copyrighted material. This is done by inserting digital watermarks into a file. Okay, all this is done by inserting digital watermarks into a file. Next, NoPix tools. We have 4 tools. Snort. It is an ID tool. This is one type of ID tool capable for real-time analysis of a packet. Okay, MEM fetch, memory fetch. Okay, these tools dump the memory forcibly. This tool dumps the memory forcibly. And photo REC. This tool is used for file extraction from digital camera. O-Link Master. This tool manages the snort tool and identifies whether the element should be ignored as traffic, and one flexible is alarm should be raised. Okay, one flexible is alarm should be raised. And the next one, Windows tools for system internals. 4 tools are there. REGMON. This tool displays the registry data in real time. File MON. This tool displays the file system activities. file system activities. And next one, handle. Okay, it displays open files and process using them. Hand is only the open files. Hand is only the open files. And process explorer. Okay, this tool displays the files, registry keys and dynamic link libraries loaded at a particular instant. Okay, this is all about Windows tools for system internals.